SC struck down Rule 5A of the Bihar Civil Service. Here are the provisions Article 32 hold. In yet another significant landmark judgment, the Supreme Court struck down Rule 5A of the Bihar Civil Service Judicial Branch, Recruitment, Rules 1995. According to this judgment, which was delivered in a writ petition filed under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, only 10% of the candidates who appear in the preliminary exam will be selected for the mains. Now let's take a look at its importance. Heart and soul of the Indian Constitution, Article 32 provides the right to constitutional remedies. This means that a person has the right to move to the Supreme Court and also high courts for getting his fundamental rights protected. It is the defender and guarantor of the fundamental rights and comes under the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. An individual can directly approach SC rather than appeal. 6 Fundamental Rights in Part 3, Article 12 to 35 of the Indian Constitution. Right to equality and equal protection of the law. Right to freedom. Right against exploitation. Right to freedom of religion. Cultural and educational rights. Right to constitutional remedies. An individual can directly plea at the SC if any of these above fundamental rights are violated. What are the differences between the Supreme Court and High Court in issuing writ petitions? SC can only issue writs for enforcement of only fundamental rights, whereas HC can issue writs for enforcement of fundamental rights and other matters as well. SC issues a writ against any person or authority within the Indian territory, but HC issues writs only under its own territorial jurisdiction. Watch this space for more such trending articles and their importance.